How to help a gerbil recover after stroke. Strokes are common in elderly gerbils. Strokes cause gerbils to experience paralysis somewhere in their body, which can make basic tasks like eating difficult. Gerbils often make full recoveries after a stroke, so the main thing to do if your gerbil has a stroke is to make sure they are eating, keep them comfortable, provide them materials to stay warm, and move them to a stress-free environment. Method 1. Taking care for your gerbil right after a stroke. 1. Take your gerbil to the vet. If your gerbil has a stroke, you should take them to the vet to get checked out. While many gerbils make a full or almost full recovery after a stroke, it is a good idea to get your gerbil seen to make sure they are okay. Taking your gerbil to the vet can help ensure there are no related problems and that your gerbil is getting the proper nutrition during the recovery. 2. Feed your gerbil if they cannot feed themselves. You may need to feed your gerbil and help them get water if they cannot feed themselves. Give the gerbil soft food that they can eat with their tongue since they may not be able to stand and hold seeds or other foods in their paws. Put the food on a spoon and let your gerbil lick it off. If your gerbil can't drink water, you can give them water from an eyedropper. Applesauce, sugar-free baby food, lukewarm cooked oatmeal, or mashed up soft cooked vegetables are good foods for your gerbil to eat. If you have to, lower the water bottle so your gerbil can reach it more easily. 3. Know that there is no treatment. There is no treatment for strokes in gerbils. Gerbils are known to recover well from strokes, so many gerbils will make a full recovery or only have a slight disability from the paralysis. Ensuring comfort and rest right after the stroke is the most important thing you can do for your gerbil. Additionally, it is important that you make sure that your gerbil gets enough food and water until they can feed themselves again. Method 2. Creating a comfortable environment for recovery. 1. Provide your gerbil with a warm spot in the cage. Gerbils who suffer a stroke mostly need care as they recover. The most important thing is to help keep them comfortable. To help with this, provide the gerbil with a warm spot in the corner of their cage. This helps your gerbil feel secure and warm as they rest and recover. Try placing a towel over part of the cage, keeping the room warm, or giving plenty of material in the cage so the gerbil can stay warm. 2. Place extra nesting materials in the cage. Another thing you can do is to give the gerbil some extra material so they can make a warm nest in the cage. You might want to give them a wood nest box or a toilet paper roll to give them a hiding place. The hiding place helps give them a place to go so they can feel secure and safe from perceived predators or stressors. 3. Give your gerbil a stress-free environment to recover. Putting your gerbil in a stress-free environment can help speed their recovery. Gerbils can get startled and upset easily if there are too many stressors around them. After a stroke, move your gerbil's cage to a quiet, low-traffic room to help reduce loud noises that may startle them. You may also consider keeping the room dark or putting a towel over one part of the tank so that the gerbil can go to rest in a dark, quiet area. Method 3. Recognizing the signs of a stroke. 1. Look for paralysis. The most common sign of stroke is paralysis in your gerbil. This generally occurs along one side. The gerbil may not be able to use their paws, or their eyes or parts of their face may droop. The gerbil may have trouble feeding themselves or moving like they used to. 2. Identify the common age for strokes in gerbils. Most strokes occur in gerbils when they are elderly, usually 2 years or older. Sometimes, younger gerbils who have other related conditions or health problems can have strokes, but this is uncommon. 3. Know that gerbils can recover from strokes. Elderly gerbils can recover from strokes with some minor nursing care. While they may have some paralysis, many times the gerbil will make a full recovery. Making sure the gerbil gets enough rest, along with food and water, can help ensure a full recovery. Gerbils who have experienced a stroke may be at a higher risk for strokes in the future. Sometimes, gerbils will have multiple strokes that eventually leads to death. However, with proper care and love for your gerbil, you can increase the chances of recovery after multiple strokes. A gerbil with a minor disability or paralysis from multiple strokes can still live a happy life.